Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Brenda and welcome. So for today's video, as you guys can see, I do have a special guest. This is Cassandra. She's back on my channel. It's been quite a while that you guys have seen her, but we're back and we're better. So I'm currently in Chicago. Period. So I'm currently in Chicago. Obviously, I only get the opportunity to film with her whenever I'm in town or whenever she's visiting me in LA. So since I'm here and since, you know, this crazy coronavirus situation is going on, no one's going to school, no one's going to work, we had the perfect opportunity to film. So today we are bringing to you guys a hot Cheeto elote mukbang. So this is going to be the first time I ever even make like an elote like this. Yeah, same. So, and I've never ever had hot Cheetos in elote. So we did blend some hot Cheetos in the blender and made this like little little hot Cheeto crumbs that we're gonna be putting on our elote. So I'm excited. Me too. We did go to the Michoacana though, and we got all of our ingredients on the side. Yeah. So we're going to be preparing them all on our own. So let's just go ahead and get started. Yeah. Okay. So we have I think we should add either the mantequilla or the mayo first, right? I think I'm gonna add mayo first. Mayo first? Okay. What do you think? Yeah. Mayo? Okay. Yeah. So, wait. Is it mantequilla or is it mayo? Now I'm thinking. I don't know. I'm thinking. It's because usually when they put the mantequilla, it's drizzled on top, right? Yeah, so I always have it in a cup and they always put the mantequilla at the end. Oh yeah, like you're right. They put it, but I don't know how it goes. So since it's a stick, we're making this so fucking difficult. Okay, let's just do whatever you want. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and first put the mayo. Okay, me too. Okay. So yeah, we got our little elote. I'm fucking dead. And we're just gonna start making them. I've never made an elote. Me either. I love eating them though. Me too. Also, sorry if the lighting is kind of off. We're filming in my sister's house and there's like a chandelier right on top of us that is like being kind of like glary, putting a glare in our faces. Yeah. So I'm sorry if the lighting is off. But yeah, are you putting a lot? Yeah, I'm putting a good amount. Yeah, me too. All right. So here is our, especially because they put a lot. Yeah, they do. I feel like they do, huh? También, I feel like that is a way for like the rest of the stuff to stick. Yeah. I don't know about you guys, but I actually like mayo. Do you like mayo? Yeah, I do. I love mayo. Well, I know people hate mayo for some reason. I know there's people that they don't like it at all. I actually like it. Me too. But I don't know. I feel like because I don't know. I feel like a lot of people don't do this, but in my family, we would do cookouts and we'll like obviously make hot dogs and my mom would put mayo on my hot dog. Same! But I would do that all the time. That's the only way I'll eat hot dogs, if it has mayo. Wait, but we obviously were running everywhere, blah, blah, blah. And I got so nauseous, like literally as I was eating the hot dog with the mayo, I don't know what I was thinking. Like I feel like sometimes I do this to myself. Like I'll be eating something and I'll just get grossed out of it? Yeah, I'll make myself get grossed out at what I'm eating. I'm fucking dead. And then I just literally threw up everything. Ew. Yeah, so sometimes I look at mayo and I'm like, you remember that time you threw up? Yeah. So I'm like, ugh. But you know what? I love hot dogs. Like I don't really like hot dogs, but I will only eat them if the bun has mayo. Yeah. That's so funny. And you know what? Surprisingly, coming from the pickiest person, aka you, she's the pickiest person I have ever met. I'm surprised you like mayo. Yeah, I like it. Even after that weird experience. I'm so dead. Yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna go into the butter. Sorry. It's slippery. The butter is kind of like getting liquidy now. ¿Sí te fijaste? Yeah. And you put it in the fridge, no? I did put it in the fridge. Yeah, I feel like that's just how it is. Because of all the oil, it has a lot of... True. I'm gonna just grab the oil and drip it on my elote. Do you add butter to your popcorn? No, unless, I mean, wait, actually, yes, I do. When I go to the movie theaters, I do add a shit ton of butter. Like, literally a disgusting amount of butter.
You know, like how picky I am, right?
Yes.
I would always tell me, don't have butter, like that's nasty.
And now.
Then I tried it and I'm like, dude, add more butter. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy, put some more.
Don't be shy, put some more. Put some more.
Yeah, but I freaking love butter on my popcorn, on everything. It's so bomb.
Yeah.
I wonder how this elote is going to be.
It better be good.
It better be good. But instead of chile, this is gonna be like our chile, right?
Yeah. So then we add either the queso or the chile.
I think I'm gonna add the queso next and then the chile last.
Yeah, that way it could be red, right?
Okay. Guys, my mouth is literally what's that word? Salivating. Because this looks so bomb.
It looks like we added a lot, but I can't wait to try it. I feel like it's gonna be fun. Because I hate when eloteros be stingy.
Same.
I fucking hate it. I'd be telling them, I'd be like, le pones más, and they'll be like, it'll be like 25 cents more.
It's okay.
I don't care.
Just put more.
Yeah.
The hell? Did I ask you if it was extra? I asked you to put some more, okay?
Yeah. I tell them because I always get it in a vaso. And I was like, le pones abajo y le pones arriba.
I'm dead. That is me. I should start doing that now though. I've never done that.
Yeah, because they only add it. And then like you're eating it halfway and it's like plain at the bottom.
That's true.
I hate it.
That is very true. I'm so excited to eat this, guys. So like I said, I am back in Chicago. Guys, this whole Carina.
You like Chicago people are calling her Rana or Rona.
Wait, Rona? I didn't hear about this.
Because people are like, oh, Chicago's so ghetto, they even nicknamed coronavirus. And it's like Rona, Rana, or something.
The Rona virus.
I hate us, dude.
I know. Like I was saying though, since all this like coronavirus situation is going on, I'm back home and it's crazy because like literally all this that has been going on is like scary to all of us. I don't know about you, but like
yes,
I feel like it impacted like my life in a way, especially since like I didn't lose my job technically, but I don't have a job because of it.
Yeah.
So it kind of sucks. But I don't know, it's scary times, you know?
I feel like I get a little, I'm worried, but I'm not panicking just because I go into work and I do work at a pharmacy, so I work with people in the healthcare environment.
Right.
And it's like they don't care, like not that they don't care, but they're like, it's not that bad, and they kind of like help me calm down because I go in there like panicking. I'm like, why am I at work? Like all these people are coming in sick, blah blah blah.
Oh my god, for real?
Yeah, and then
you're like at a pharmacy and
and like we're constantly interacting with sick people.
Yeah,
and then
that's
but
true.
The pharmacist is like, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Like we've had worse viruses. This and that. It's just that media is making it seem worse because back in the day, social media was not as big as now.
Now it is.
So the viruses back then were worse than coronavirus, but it's just like people didn't really know because there wasn't like someone telling you every second of your day.
I do agree.
Yeah,
I do agree. I feel like social media has played a big part with this crazy virus because obviously you go online or you go on Twitter or you go on YouTube and you see, literally you see the craziest things that are going on in the world, and that makes you panic even more. So it's just like, guys, you're not making it any better for anyone in this world, so you better freaking chill, okay? You better chill.
Yeah, and I get scared just because I feel like, well, I don't know, my mom, and like we didn't really go grocery shopping.
I'm dead. I did go grocery shopping, but I didn't do like an excessive amount like other people around
here. The same thing with my mom. It's like just 3 of us at home, so she's not gonna buy tons and tons of grocery because they're just gonna so it's like she just bought the necessities,
right?
And it's like people are buying a ton of stuff, and I'm scared that if we actually do go on lockdown, we're not gonna get anything just because those people are like buying so many things, and like eventually they're gonna go bad, and it's all gonna be a waste of money.
It's just gonna be a waste. You bought what? All this milk for what? Milk goes bad, guys.
Yes.
Veggies go bad. What are you gonna do with all this bad food? You can't eat it. Unless you want to get sick, then go ahead. Be my guest. Alright, so I'm ready for this hot Cheeto.
Me too. You can go first.
Okay. Alright, I am ready. Okay, I'm gonna go crazy with this.
Yeah, we have to.
No se cae. Like it's like
a little.
It kind of like gets bunched up in places.
Yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
It looks good.
I know. My mouth is getting so watery. Voy a agarrar lo que tengo in my plate and just
keep going. Yeah. Because there is a lot of fallout.
A lot of fallout, like it's a makeup tutorial. Guys, there's a lot of fallout with this palette. I'm fucking dead.
I'm excited. I've never had an elote with hot Cheetos. Oh, I remember that one place we went to, Nini's Deli.
Oh yeah.
I told you, right, that like sometimes in the summer they'll have like their little special little treat of the day, and sometimes they have elotes with hot Cheetos.
Really?
But I've never had
some of this.
Yeah, and then they'll be having paletas and stuff. But I've never had one.
I wish we could go to Nini's Deli.
I know they're closed.
I know.
Everything is closed except my job.
It sucks because I was going to be here next week because of my boyfriend's, because of Lorenzo's birthday. His birthday is next week, and we were gonna come with some friends from LA to celebrate his birthday. But because of all this that's going on, that ruined our plans, and our friends had to cancel just because they have a family, they have a kid that they have to take care of and they have to worry about. So it sucks, you know, because we had all these plans. We were gonna celebrate your birthday. We were gonna celebrate Lorenzo's birthday. We were gonna go out to the club. We were gonna get a table and everything, and it just sucks because obviously all of that is canceled due to this craziness. So
I feel like coronavirus straight up said fuck Aries.
Yeah. I'm fucking dead. I seen that meme.
Yes. And I'm so butthurt. Like literally, all of my cousins are tagging me in so many memes of like Lisa from The Simpsons by herself in a table.
I'm dead.
That's gonna be you.
That's you at the club, crying in the club.
Yes, crying at home.
Oh, at home. That's right. That's right. You ain't even gonna get close to the club. You're gonna stay in your room.
Oh my god.
I'm fucking dead. But yeah, all these like plans that we had, like we were gonna have so much fun, and everything is canceled. I feel like, I don't know why, but I feel like the weather isn't making it any better either. So like even before I left to LA too, for some reason for like the past like 2 weeks, even the day that I left from LA, the vibe was just off. It was off. The vibe wasn't there. Like it was raining, it was cold. It never rains in LA, and it's never really cold, and it was rainy, it was cold, and I was just like, yeah, this is not it, sissy. Like it's just not it. And then like here it's like raining and it's cold, and I'm just like, wow, this weather isn't making it any better for any of us. So, and
I feel like if people are not really stressed out about that, like people get depressed with the weather. So
same.
It's like,
that is a thing too, like seasonal depression and stuff. I have a friend who he gets seasonal depressed. That's why they moved to LA, but it's like a real thing.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, so it's crazy.
I edit a lot.
Me too. I feel like I edit a lot. Wow, yours looks good.
Look at my mess.
Damn.
All right, are you ready?
All right, guys, this is the moment of truth. I'm so excited. Okay.
I feel like it's gonna be so good.
I know. I really hope it's good. If not, this is gonna ruin our hopes for life.
I swear.
If not, this is going to be like the worst day.
All right.
Okay, here we go. One, two, three. It's not bad.
I like it.
It's interesting though.
There's a weird, I feel like,
it's really interesting. Let me try it one more time.
I feel like you could barely taste it.
I could taste the hot Cheetos a lot though. You can't?
Not really.
I feel like I layered them a lot.
Yeah. I feel like I had a hella mayo. Okay, over here.
Bomb.
I like this.
Okay, I do like it.
Yeah. I like it a lot.
That's the only downfall of eating elote on a stick though. It's like really messy. It's like all over the place.
Super messy.
I know. So now y'all gotta try hot Cheeto elotes. Make it at home, guys. It's a bomb. I don't know why. Like I seen it when I would like go to the store like Michoacanas and stuff, but it would never call my attention. Like I would never actually get it.
Me neither. This is the first time I try it.
Same.
Ever. And it's really good. And then again, I feel like they already have it, they have the chile crushed already. And they might leave it there for like a day or two and it doesn't taste the same.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I never actually thought about that because obviously chips get stale, right?
Yeah.
You're very right. Don't mind us, guys. We're just gonna be here eating our hot Cheeto Elotes.
So I think that might make it taste different too if we get it a la Michoacana or something.
You're right.
It's really good. I like it a lot.
Can I tell you something? I didn't think I was gonna like it. Like this much.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
I was like, there's nothing special about a hot Cheeto Elote. Like, what the hell's wrong with it?
But you know what? I like the chilito that they put on the elotes, but not really. Because I feel like it's been making me cough.
It can be too spicy. Because it's like that spicy ass chile de árbol.
Yeah.
So we did film a video prior to this. We did a eating like Mexican antojitos video for Cassandra's video. I'll link it down below so you guys can go watch it. But we ate like Dorilocos. We ate Dorilocos, we ate fruta, we ate fresas con crema. So that was
and
a
we
whole
got
meal.
waters.
Yeah, we had waters. That was a whole meal, and then we made these.
Yeah, literally like 30 minutes later.
I know, we're over here eating our best life away. So my camera did die, guys, but as you can see, we don't have our elotes anymore. My mom actually took mine, or I gave it to her, I should say, and Cassandra finished hers.
I ate all of mine.
But you guys should definitely try making hot Cheeto Elotes at home because they're bomb. I'm not gonna lie, I did like them. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget, we did a video in Cassandra's channel, so I'll have that link down below so you guys can go check her video out. Go subscribe to her, give her some love. And yeah, that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.